Welcome back YouTube. My name is Dennis Panuta for tutorials.eu. Welcome to the introduction to working with files. We are going to check out how to work with files within the next videos. So first of all, we need to understand how to open, then how to read, and later how to write files. But there is a little problem. Up to now, our variables were lost by the program after each restart. So each time we started our application once again, all our variables were gone. And how do we manage to restart the program but still keep the data? Well, there's a simple solution. We read and write a file. So in order to get the data back, we need to read it. In order to create the data or store the data, we need to write it. So first, how do we read a file? Well, there is something called CSV import, and CSV is a file format which you can easily read in a tabular data format, and that's pretty neat and very useful in general. And imagine, for example, recording an attendance list in Excel, and that's what you could do with CSV. If you export them as CSV, we can read them really easily with Python, and that's a pretty cool thing. So let's go ahead and do that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please leave a like. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then leave a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, if you really love the content and you would like to have more of it or pretty much all of it, then of course, check out the link in the description to my whole course. See you in the next video.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.